Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a brief overview of Level Design Toolkit. So to get started, we've got the Level Design Toolkit Editor Utility widget. This is where you'll find a whole different array of tools you'll be able to use to help throughout development, and you'll also be able to find individual videos to each tool in the bite-sized series over on YouTube. And we've got the pivot tool, so you're able to change the pivot of any meshes inside the project itself, so you don't have to go back into like Blender or Maya, for example. And we've got the Rename Assets Editor Utility widget, which will allow you to bulk rename any assets. You could add like the SM_ prefix if you forgot to do that. Then we've got the scenes POI, so I'm able to just click on these teleport buttons and it'll take me to these different areas in the project itself. So this is quite useful if you've got a much bigger scene than I have here. Then we've got the notes, so you can just quickly add notes inside the project itself, and you'll notice here that the background is orange. That's because the deadline date's been set to the 4th of March, so that's next week. If we had a lot longer for the deadline, it'll be green, and as we get closer it'll go orange, red and then black when you miss it. And then the light list, so I can teleport to a light in the scene, and then I'm also able to control the intensity from this menu, as well as if it's visible, or I can delete it. Then we come back into the folders. We've got audio, so like attenuation settings, and these are being used in the interaction system. So we've got like some doors and buttons that you're able to just drag and drop into your scene. It's ready to go. Construction scripts, so regular construction script and like a spline blueprint. Progress camera, so this is a camera that you can drop around the scene, and then when you click play it'll go through and take a screenshot of each location, and this is quite useful for if you want to take like progress pictures for like a portfolio piece, for example. And then we've got like the bulk zone, which is used in Level Design Toolkit, the dummy actor, this line of sight tool, which is able to like test line of sight for like first-person shooter games, and a couple of the miscellaneous blueprints. We've got materials, so we've got like solid colors or like a grid material, so you're able to change like the colors of them. And that's just about it for Level Design Toolkit. As I say, there's a lot more videos covering this asset pack on my YouTube channel, and that's it, yeah. So thank you for watching.